God bless you and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the boslla LEDs, the best headlight bulbs on the market that I know of. We're going to go ahead and take a drive with the standard bulbs in it right now with the brand new headlights, see how it looks, throw these in and see how it looks. With the stock bulbs and the brand new headlights without the boslla LEDs. It's really simple. These are a plug and play unit. It has the LED driver here. These are H4 bulbs and it has the right connector. So all we do is plug them in to the factory bulb location. Just remove the factory bulb connector, take out the factory bulb, and then the new ones are complete plug and play. And then that connector plugs right into the factory one. It's pretty simple. Adjust your headlights so you're not burning people's retinas. These are 300% brighter than the factory bulbs. Here it is with the boslla LEDs. Now, on camera, it doesn't look much different, but it definitely is brighter. Well, there it is for the boslla LEDs. Discount code is MORE10. Save you some money at checkout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless each and every one of you.